Of course, that leads us right into dynamic routing, because dynamic routing allows me to get information into the IP route table dynamically or automatically, giving the information to IP so that it can make the appropriate path determination decisions. Now, this is solely a function of routing protocols. Routing protocols like OSPF, RIP, and EIGRP are good examples of protocols that exchange this type of data. These protocols will share information about all known networks with their neighbors, and the idea is that when it is all complete, every router will know where every destination network is. The advantages here are really the disadvantages of static routing. The tables are built automatically, so I have lower administrative overhead suitable for much larger networks because I don't have to worry about manual convergence. The routers will automatically keep themselves up to date, and if I have designed redundancy into the network, dynamic routing protocols automatically allow me to recover from any type of a fault that might occur. The only disadvantages of dynamic routing protocols are the amount of router processing overhead as well as the amount of network bandwidth utilization that you are going to incur. But I must say that the disadvantages can kind of be played down based upon what decision you make. In a very large network, it would be obvious that you wouldn't use static routing because it would be way too much administrative overhead. So in most cases, using something like EIGRP or OSPF in a larger network and dealing with the router processing where it has to process incoming routes so it puts them in the table, as well as the additional bandwidth utilization of the routing protocol itself, is typically something we can live with because the trade-off is that the routers are going to converge automatically. In a large network environment, in this case, the dynamic routing protocol advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. So really think about that in perspective. It's all relative to the decision that you make.